What is the volume of the regular hexagonal pyramid whose side length is 6 cm and the height is 10 cm? So, ito yung formula. V is equal to square root of 3 over 2 times a squared times height. And ito yung illustration ng regular hexagonal pyramids. Bakit sinabing regular? Kasi yung paikot niyan, 6 cm lahat yung sides. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6. So, and then meron siyang height na 10 cm. So, ngayon ay isa-substitute lang natin dito. So, yung ating A ay yon 6. Ito kasi yung side. At ang height ay 10. So, let's substitute. Kopyahin muna natin ito. And yung A natin ay 6. Ayan. At may square yan sa formula. At ang height ay 10. Okay. So, 6 times 6, 36. Ayan. Sige, isa-isayin lang natin. Square root of 3 over 2. 6 times 6 or 6 square ay 36 yan. Times 10. Yan. And dito ulit, dito natin i-continue. So, ito ng boundary. So, 36 times 10. So, kopyahin muna natin to. Square root of 3 over 2. 36 times 10 is equal to 360. So, yan. So, this time ay gumamit na tayo ng calculator. Diretso natin, no? Square root of 3 times 360 divided by 2. So, diretso na natin. Kasi calculator lang naman gagamitin natin. Okay. So, square root of 3 since cellphone gagamitin natin. So, square root of 3 natin equals muna equals. Ayan. At i-multiply natin sa 360. Click equals, yan. At i-divide natin sa 2. Okay, so ang sagot ay 311 point. Ma-round off na natin sa nearest hundreds. So, magiging 311.77 siya. So, 311.77 cubic centimeter. So, ito yung volume. Yan. Ng ating regular hexagonal pyramid.